Hello world, it is I, Kali Rex Dego from the Lodis Brothers. Ito po ay Yeti SB165 from the Lodis Brothers. Bike check tayo ngayon. Again, shout out to my boy from the motherland of the Philippines, Giantamayo. What's up, my brother? Bike check tayo. Again, it's a Yeti 165 2022 Fox 38 with Hydra hub, gold, with the customized rims. Nakita nyo naman yung spoke niya, orange and black with orange detail. Tapos yung rear suspension niya naman is coil DHX2 Fox XX1 component, gold TRP brakes. Yung travel niya is 180 to 160. And pakita natin yung brake niya is TRP. Ayan, paano natin muna, it's not focusing. Yon TRP gold, orange trim. Again, boys, this is a SB165 2022. Enjoy. Coding out from the Lodis Brothers.